Hey everyone, welcome back to channel Top 5 Products. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch wet/dry vacuum cleaners, the Tineco Floor ONE S3 and the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro. They're both highly rated and versatile machines, but they do have their differences. In this video, we're going to break down their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one might be the better fit for your home. Let's dive in. Let's start with the features. The Tineco Floor ONE S3 is a cordless wonder with some cool tech. It boasts a smart sensor that adjusts water flow and suction power based on your floor's condition. Plus, there's a handy LED display that shows battery life and cleaning mode. On the other hand, the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro is a corded workhorse designed with pet owners in mind. It's equipped with a pet hair strainer to make cleaning up after your furry friend a breeze. It also has a detergent dispenser for those extra tough messes. Now, let's talk performance. Both machines can handle various floor types: laminate, hardwood, tile, vinyl, you name it. They can vacuum and mop simultaneously, saving you time and effort. And they both bring strong suction power to the table. However, there are some differences in their performance. The Tineco Floor ONE S3 is cordless, offering more mobility and a longer battery life, running up to 35 minutes on a single charge. It's also self-propelled, making it a breeze to maneuver around furniture and corners. The soft microfiber brush won't scratch your floors either. On the flip side, the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro is corded, so you'll need an electrical outlet nearby. It comes with a 25-foot cord, which might limit your cleaning range, but it offers continuous power. However, be mindful of the rotating brush roll. It can be aggressive, so use it with care to avoid damaging your floors. When it comes to cleaning up pet hair and messes, the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro takes the cake. That pet hair strainer is a game changer, trapping all that pesky hair and debris in the dirty water tank for easy disposal. The detergent dispenser also gives it an edge for tackling stubborn stains. Meanwhile, the Tineco Floor ONE S3 doesn't have a dedicated pet hair strainer or a detergent dispenser. You might find yourself cleaning the dirty water tank more often if you have pets or heavy messes. Finally, let's talk value. Both machines are on the higher end of the price spectrum compared to similar devices, but they offer great value for what they deliver. The Tineco Floor ONE S3 is slightly more expensive than the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro. So, which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your specific needs. If you want the flexibility of a cordless device with a longer battery life, and you don't have pets or heavy messes to tackle, the Tineco Floor ONE S3 is a solid choice. On the other hand, if you want a machine that excels at pet hair and mess cleanup, and you don't mind the cord or the potentially aggressive brush roll, the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro is the way to go. Remember, you can find more details about these devices on their official websites or check out customer reviews on Amazon, where both have received over 4 stars out of 5 from thousands of satisfied customers. That wraps up our comparison between the Tineco Floor ONE S3 and the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro. I hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more product comparisons and reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.